My last MacBook was actually from 2017, so this is going to be a bit of an upgrade. A very minimal picture on the front. You've got the MacBook Air on the side, your Apple logo, MacBook Air again, and some specs on the back. Let's jump in. It's been a while since I opened up a MacBook and I just realized there's a tab here. Lovely. Okay, so this is going to be a lot different compared to my 15-inch MacBook Pro. You've got the little tab here and okay, that's exciting. Let's quickly get into the box. And it looks like we have a space gray MagSafe adapter here. And I think the colors coincide with what type of MacBook or colored MacBook you have gone for. They've got some manuals here. And there should be some stickers in here. I might be wrong. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, and the space gray stickers are looking very nice. Look at that. So it looks like the stickers come matched with the color of your MacBook too. And I've gone for the 65-watt charger here, which you can see. I'll open this up. They do have a dual USB-C adapter, but that's only 35 watts. I thought I'd go for just a bit more power because I won't be using the ports as much. And there you go, there's your UK adapter. Now let's get on to the laptop itself. That space gray is looking very nice. Just look at that. Wow, this is slim. Got the two USB-C ports and the MagSafe charger on the left-hand side, and then you should just have one 3.5mm headphone jack on the right. Wow, it's all very rounded. Wow. The Apple logo feels a bit bigger than normal. That might just be because I've gone from a 15-inch, but that is looking very nice. I'm very happy with my decision of space gray because I've heard a lot of, you know, bad points about the midnight color attracting fingerprints. Okay, and automatically that has booted up. You know, I've downsized in a way, but upgraded in terms of power. I want portable power. It's got that liquid display, which as of now is looking very nice. Wow. Let's get to the buttons. A lot softer than my 2017-inch MacBook Pro. Got the Touch ID at the top here. Okay, I am liking that. So there you have it. I don't want to take up too much of your time. There's just a quick unboxing of the space gray to give you an idea of what the coloring looks like. And I am very happy with this color option. I've had space gray in the past and I'm just, you know, it's just a real nice sleek looking color that doesn't attract fingerprints, and for that I am very happy. So I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing, and I hope you do grab the space gray because I'm currently very happy with it. Catch you in the next one.